Hey everyone, this is Mrs. Bailey. I just wanted to hop on here and give you some directions of everything that we're going to be doing this week. So, what we are going to be doing is just a little run through of Schoology. So, every day this week, you're going to have something different that you're going to do in Schoology. It might be a discussion board one day, it might be just a video that you're watching and responding to. It could be just submitting a Google Docs assignment. It could be doing a slideshow, making a small video of yourself. Um, many different things that we're going to be doing online, period. And not to mention, you're going to be interacting with all of your classmates. So those of you online and those of you offline, this is going to be the time where you're going to kind of get to know each other a little bit. You're going to have time to have a small conversation, small discussion boards, and kind of get to know each other, because from here on out, any discussion that we have will be on here, okay? So here we go. So last week you were supposed to do the welcome back, week 1. This week you're doing tech materials intro, week 2. And it's got the dates listed there for you. So on Monday you are going to submit a 1-pager about yourself. You're going to do that here. Those of you at home, if you don't have access to maybe like a phone, or you're not able to maybe create a picture, you should be able to click on this link here, and then you can begin to kind of draw your 1-pager. Ultimately, I would love a page that talks all about you. So it could be your favorite song, lyric, poem, book, activity, whatever you want to do, right? And I've got my example here that you can click on and look at too, all right? So that's step 1 of Monday, is create this 1-pager and submit it. Then as we go back, continue the assignments. You have a favorite place to eat, practice, discussion board. So you'll click on there, and it looks like Sir's already done us a big favor here and posted something. He's a little ahead of the game, which is great. But you're going to come on here and you're going to post about your favorite place to eat and why. And then ultimately, I want you to come back to the discussion board. Just wait a few minutes, see what people post. Come back and respond to 2 people. But I want to make sure that you're responding in more than just 1 sentence, right? Do you agree with their favorite food? Do you think it's a little strange? Do you like it? But ultimately, make sure that we're responding in a very respectful manner, okay? So you'll do that to 2 people, and you can let the conversation continue from there, all right? And then the other thing that you're doing is the Edpuzzle. All right, and then a video will pop up that's going to ask you to watch a video, do some questions, all that good stuff. So that's what you'll do there. And if you have any issues with that, let me know. I'm on a different computer, so that's why it's kind of giving me a fit right now. But you just let me know if you're having issues with the history of rap. It's an Edpuzzle. I'll ask you questions as the video goes on. We're going to be doing that a lot with any of the notes and stuff that we're doing this year. But if you're having issues, just let me know. Then Tuesday, you're going to do a Google Docs assignment over your favorite food. So please go to your Google Drive and create a new Google Doc, which should be relatively easy for you guys. You guys should know how to do that. If you don't, let me know. But you're going to ultimately submit a paragraph here about your favorite food and why. So I think 1 was your favorite place to eat. This one's your favorite food. So my favorite place to eat might be Texas Roadhouse, but my favorite food is like cake or brownies or something. Then on Tuesday, you also have this social media Jamboard. Now these are going to be a little different for you guys, okay? So you would just click that link. and it's gonna bring up this it's like sticky notes, okay? So you would add a sticky note. So this is I think that Snapchat is the best because you are able not only to send text, but videos in the here and now. And then I save it and it'll post it on there. So I click off to it and I can move it around. I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller, right? All that good stuff. And then if I want to add a picture of my social media app, I can go to Google image search, right? And type in Snapchat and see what comes up. And I can post a picture too. Now be mindful, guys, because you don't want to move this over top of what someone else was saying. So make sure you're not editing what other people are doing, okay? So I'm going to go ahead, I think, and delete this. Yes. All right, so that is Jamboard. And then, if it let me here, where am I at? Okay, so that was Jamboard for Tuesday. And then we have favorite music. So you would go to this link to post your favorite music. Now this might be something else that's new for you, okay? So the discussion Padlet, please add a comment below just by clicking the plus sign, right? And if it'll let me do it, yep, there we go. And so I would put my name up here, Mrs. Bailey. I would say who my favorite was, and then I would post it, okay? You can just click off to the side or whatever, okay? Sometimes it'll actually let you do pictures and stuff like that too, so just make sure that we're being appropriate on here. But that's what you'll be doing, and you can actually respond to other people's response. So if you really like the artist that maybe someone posted, tell them that, all right? Yes, I want to delete, all right? And then, I keep forgetting where I put it. All right, no, that's not it. That's my one pager. Here we go. So then I believe that was all you had to do for Tuesday. Yep. All right, Wednesday, you are creating a Google slideshow about your favorite artist. So that needs to be at least 3 slides, no more than 5. And then your favorite snack, which is Flipgrid. Flipgrid is very interesting. I'm kind of excited to share it with you guys because you can make 2 little-minute videos. You would have to sign in with Google and all that good stuff. But ultimately, I'll give you a little bit more detail of how to do that within this, okay? But it's really simple. It's really easy. It's almost like Snapchat or even like TikTok, where you're just making a quick video about your favorite snack, why it's your favorite snack, and you're posting it. So I think that'll be really good for you guys to practice too. And then Thursday, you'll have just a small assessment practice. It's very low stakes grading, so don't freak out over that. You'll be totally fine. And then you'll have one other assignment Friday, or Thursday, and then ultimately Friday. I don't have anything in there, and that's mainly because I want to see if you can get all of this done by Friday. If you cannot get it done by Friday, basically it'll be a work day for you. Any missing work that you have at that point in time, that'll be your day to get it done. All right, so if you have any questions at all, please let me know. I will be happy to talk with you. You don't hear my cat yelling at each other. But this is basically it. Like, we're just kind of doing a little tutorial of Schoology this week. So it shouldn't be too hard for you. I might stick a couple other assessments or a couple other assignments in there as the week continues, just to see how people are getting into these different assignments. So if they come by really, really easy, I might add some more. So just keep on the lookout. But yeah, if you have any questions, I'm always here. You guys have the syllabus, so you know all the different ways that you can get a hold of me. So just let me know if you need anything at all. I'll be thinking about you, and it should be a good week. All right, y'all take care.